Rolling.
How are we everyone? I'm Niall, one half of the Northern Baristas, back with a latte art tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to pour a heart and a heart. Perfect for those who've mastered the heart, but you're not quite ready to go to a tulip or a rosetta. Now guys, drop a comment in the comment section rather. Where do you go to after you've poured a heart? Do you go straight to a rosetta or do you pour a tulip or a swan? But today, I'm going to show you a little hack. It's a simple technique. Heart and a heart looks amazing in a latte glass. It's my trademark, in fact, so I'll see you in 2. And here we go. We've got our liquid gold espresso single shot as we're just doing a latte. Now guys, we're just going to start off like any latte art. Tilt a cup, starting from a height, pouring it into the middle of the crema. Stop, as you would with a heart, into the middle, but then we're just going to stop and then we're going to force another heart in. Lift up and follow through. And there we are, heart and a heart. So simple to pour, but let's break it down to make it even simpler. Shine on. And here we go guys. Just like any latte art, you're going to start with your cup tilted towards you, your milk and jug pouring from a height, and we're going to raise the crema slowly and carefully, making sure you're raising your crema as neat as possible. Once we're about 2/3 full, we're going to start the latte art process. Guys, we're going to pour a semi-heart here. What I mean by this is it's just like a basic heart, but instead of fully rotating and lifting up and through, we're just going to leave it as a blob almost. It's a blob of milk. Then you're ready for a heart in a heart. Once you pour your second heart, you've got to be confident, guys. You've got to push your milk in just like you're pouring a basic heart. Once you see the first semi-heart rotating round the second heart, you're ready to lift up, follow through, and enjoy your coffee. And guys, that is a heart in a heart. I hope you enjoyed watching the video as much as I did making it. Please drop us a comment if you enjoyed it, if you're struggling with anything that we can help with. If there's anything we can improve in our videos, guys, we really do want to know. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you've not, and shine a light, baby. See you next time, guys.